All right, Miss Golden Girl here, and I'm getting ready to make my hot water cornbread. I got a cup of yellow meal, Quaker, and I'm going to add some baking powder, some salt, some flour, and some sugar, and some oil. I got my water boiling here. I don't know how much a cup is going to make, but then maybe I'll make it more than once. I got a whole lot of greens here. And yesterday when I was in Walmart at Durango, Colorado, they didn't have the size refrigerator that I wanted. So I'm going to go to Montrose here, Montrose, Colorado, to Walmart and see what they have. All right, stay tuned. Okay, this is the way my hot water cornbread mixture looks. I decided I'm going to fry it in this pan instead of the electric skillet. So what I'm doing, I'm heating the oil. Once the oil gets hot, I'm going to take a couple of tablespoons of the oil and drop it into this mixture and stir it up and then fry it. All right, stay tuned. All right, this batch of hot water cornbread is about ready to come out. This is the spoon that I use to make them instead of a spoon that size. So I got more to fry up. Now I'm going to make a slit in each one of these. That's because I'm going to spread some butter over. I'm spreading this butter. Would be better if I melted the butter and brushed it on there, but I'm just going to do it this way. I'm going to turn them over. And I'm going to spread butter on this side. And I'm doing this right after taking them out of the oil frying so that it will melt. Alright. Got my second batch in. Okay. These have drained. I buttered them, so now I moved them into a different dish. And I'm ready to take my next batch out, drain them, and butter them up. The second batch, because the oil is already hot, cooks much faster than the first batch. All right, this is the third batch, and it was just one big one here. Look at them. Golden brown. Look, I opened the drapes and we got snow. Today is Wednesday, October the 30th, 2024, here in Mountainville, Village, Telluride, Colorado. All right, I'm getting ready to prepare my steak, and then my meal will be done. I started this at 5:30 yesterday. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday when I got back from Durango, Colorado shopping. I put the neck bones on and they cook. They cook on high in the crock pot for maybe about 6 hours. So I'm trying to get all this done before 9 a.m. when the water is going off from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. All right. It is 8:55 a.m. on Wednesday morning, October the 30th. My meal is prepared. It's ready. There's my steak, my hot water cornbread, my greens, mustard and turnip greens. This meal was a process. I started it on Tuesday at 5:30 p.m. by cooking the smoked neck bones. So, awesome, awesome, awesome. This is off season. I'm not working. This is week 2 of week 5. And so I shopped yesterday and I prepared this meal in the last 24 hours. Well, really, in the last, 5:30 a.m., 15 hours, in the last 15 hours. You see all my cooking utensils out here. My crock pot, my George Foreman, my one-eye burner. All right, good eating, good eating.